Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are going to be working on sound spelling mapping, reviewing long vowel silent E words. The first word is spike. Please finger stretch spike. S-p-I-k, spike. There are 4 sounds, so we will be using 4 sound boxes. The initial sound we hear is S, P, I, K, with that silent E at the end. And remember, my friends, that silent E does not get its own box because it is not making a sound. And I can see the pattern: 1 vowel, 1 consonant, and a silent E at the end. So please draw the long vowel silent E gesture. Please write spike on the side of your paper. S, P, I, K, spike. Our next word is drive. Finger stretch, drive. D-R-I-V, drive. I hear 4 sounds, so I will be using 4 sound boxes. The initial sound I hear is D. R-I-V, with that silent E at the end. Remember, my friends, the pattern for long vowel silent E is 1 vowel, 1 consonant, and a silent E at the end. Please write drive on the side. The next word is shine. Finger stretch. Shine. I hear 3 sounds. Sh, I, n. Sh, I, n. That silent E at the end. Sh, I, n. Long vowel silent E. Our next word also has the SH consonant digraph, and the word is shape. Finger stretch. Sh-a-p, shape. I hear 3 sounds, so there'll be 3 sound boxes. The initial sound I hear is sh, a, p, with that silent E that is not pronounced at the end. The pattern is 1 vowel, 1 consonant, and a silent E at the end. Sh, a, p, shape. Our next word is theme. Finger stretch. E-m, theme. 3 sounds, so 3 sound boxes. The first sound I hear has a consonant digraph. T-H. E-m, theme. Long vowel, silent E. Please write theme on the side. I can see the pattern: 1 vowel, 1 consonant, and a silent E at the end. And our last word is home. Finger stretch. H-O-M. Home. 3 sound boxes. H-O-M. Home. I'm going to use the gesture, long vowel, silent E. Please write home on the side. H-O-M. Home. Way to go. Turn your paper over when you're ready. All right, my friends, please write your name at the top of your paper. We are going to be coloring long U, silent E words from our word box. Our first word is dunk. Please find the vowel. You will notice, my friends, that there is one vowel followed by one or more consonants. Therefore, it is a closed syllable type and the vowel sound is short. So we will not be coloring the word dunk. Let's look at our next word. Please find a vowel or vowels. Here's a vowel and here's a vowel. I can see the pattern, one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. So I know that is the long vowel silent E syllable type. So I'm going to be coloring the word cute. C-U-T, cute, because it has the long U sound. Our next word, find the vowel or vowels. I can see the pattern, one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. And the word is tube. T-U-B, tube. And that silent E on the end is making that U say its long U sound. Our next word, point to the vowel or vowels. I can see there is one vowel followed by one or more consonants, which is a closed syllable type, so the vowel sound is short. We will not be coloring the word hunk. Next word, point to the vowel or vowels. I can see there's two vowels there. The pattern, one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. That silent E makes that vowel U say its long U sound. U, unicorn. The word is huge. Huge, huge. Our next word, please find the vowel or vowels. That's right, there's only one vowel. So I know that there is going to be a closed syllable type and the vowel sound is short. So we will not be coloring the word bunk. Our next word, find the vowel or vowels. We can see the pattern. One vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Therefore, we know the word is use, muse. So we are going to be coloring it because that U is saying you. Same with June. Two vowels. It is a long vowel, silent E syllable type. And June is capitalized because it is the name of a month, which is a proper noun. Our next word, point to the vowel or vowels. I see one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. The word is dude. D-U-D, dude. Our next word, please find the vowel or vowels. Very good, there are two vowels. I see the pattern, one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. We're going to color that word rude because the silent E is making that U say its name. And we have the next word, point to the vowel or vowels. I only see one vowel, So I know that it is a closed syllable type, so the vowel sound will be short. Cut. Cut. Our next word, point to the vowel or vowels. Long vowel, silent E. So the word is mule. That silent E that is not pronounced is having that U. Make the long U sound. U, unicorn. All right, my friends, from here on out, you're going to do spin, read, and write all by yourself, and also the word bank by yourself. You did great today, boys and girls. Thank you for your hard work. Have a wonderful day.